prepare a witness to testify, much less a defendant, you can go through and ask them the questions time and time again. But the reality is you don't necessarily know how they're going to respond, and you cannot predict what their demeanor will be like on the stand. Have you had any instances where you've put someone on the stand and then you get through it and think, well, that was not exactly what I expected?
Well, absolutely, it does occur, and especially as a civil rights lawyer, a lot of times the clients we represent are not necessarily sophisticated, but we do work with them. But I think that this was you could see that it wasn't rehearsed. I mean, the fact that he wasn't sometimes when he's not answering directly the questions, and the attorney has to press him on it, you could see, well, look, this is happening in real time between the attorney and the client. So it does give actually more of an air of credibility because it doesn't come across rehearsed. And there are times when I will surprise my clients and not tell them about a question I'm going to ask to get their real-time reaction in front of the jury to make sure the jury knows that this client is telling the truth and this is real. Got to be careful about that, but in a good case, you can do it effectively, and it does come across as genuine and authentic, and that can make a real difference in juries' minds.
Yeah, what a great tip, because you do need the person to be authentic. That's one of the main things that they can see through, in my opinion, as a jury. Julia Janae, thank you so much for being with us. I know that you're